Hello everyone, I am Anita Singh and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. Today I am going to explain you social science topic of grade 7, forms of government. Topics which I would be covering here are brief introduction of forms of government. They are what is democracy, different types of government, key features of democracy. Let's know about the democracy meaning. Democracy is a government which depends on the consent of the governed. According to Abraham Lincoln, the American president, democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Let's know about the different types of government. Democracy, dictatorship type of government, monarchy government, and theocracy. Democratic government in itself can be of different forms. There can be a parliamentary form of government and a presidential form of government. They can be classified in another way as well. There can be unitary and federal forms of government. Monarchy could be constitutional monarchy or absolute monarchy. Constitutional monarchy system of government in which a monarch shares power with a constitutionally organized government. An absolute monarchy is a form of government in which a single person, usually a king or queen, holds absolute autocratic power. Brunei, Saudi Arabia and Oman absolute monarchy system is there. In Sweden, constitutional monarchy is there. In dictatorship, only one party is allowed to exist and it is the dictator's own party. The individual does not enjoy any liberty or rights under dictatorship. Dictators preach racialism. The Germans under Hitler regarded themselves to be superior to the people living in the rest of the world. Let's know about the other form of government, that is theocracy. Theocracy is a religious system of government where religious leaders hold powers, but some change has been observed recently. Some countries today combine the element of theocracy and democracy. Some examples of theocracy are Iran, Vatican City. Let's know about the key features of democracy. Formal equality, freedom, decision-making mechanism, active participation of the citizen, accommodation of differences, enhancing human dignity. Here I will end up with my topic. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Thank you.